In this tutorial, we're going to create this satisfying soft body animation in Blender, where these colorful balls fall, squash on impact, and bounce back into shape. Let's get started. Let's create a plane for our ball to fall on. Add a UV sphere for our ball. Let's give it a soft body property. Hit play. Our ball is just hovering. Disable goal for our ball to fall freely. Give the plane a collision property so our ball does not fall through. Enable stiffness to add some stiffness to the simulation. For the result I wanted, these values works for me. Bending value adjusts the stiffness of the bending, while plasticity influences how permanent the deform is. Looks good. I will be adding a subdivision surface modifier to mine, not compulsory. Now let's duplicate the ball. Give the balls a collision property for the balls not to pass through each other. Now let's create our backdrop and give our ball a material. Let's switch to cycles and add some lights. Now let's play our animation. Looks good. Before rendering, let's bake the simulation. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing for more.